The question is 50 divided by 10 times 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 multiplied by 10, which will be equal to 50, and divided by 50. So 50 divided by 50 will be equal to 1, which is our answer, but it is not correct. So we have to solve 50 divided by 10 times 4 plus 1 by copying some order of operation, which is PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? It is parenthesis, so first term is parenthesis, so 4 plus 1 is 5 times 10 and 50 divided by 10 times 5. Now, if you see, here is multiplication and division. And multiplication is first, division is second. But in question, division is first and multiplication is second. So PEMDAS told us that we have to move from left to right. Mean, in the question division is first, so we have to handle division first. So 50 divided by 10 will be equal to 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 will be equal to 25, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.